guys, Pete and Ben here with Grateful Adventure, and today we're going fly fishing. It's a beautiful Sunday here in Colorado. We're on a beautiful river here along the Front Range, and we are using Tenkara rods. So this is just an older style, Japanese style of fly fishing. So there's no reel. It's a great way to introduce a kid to fly fishing without having to deal with the reel. What you do is you extend these rods out, you tie a leader to it, and you fish with it. So we'll demonstrate that. Also, there's a misconception that it could be too expensive to get a kid up and running with fly fishing gear. We'll leave a couple links in the description below about this great vest and these waders. The waders are one piece with the boots attached, and the vest is an amazing vest. There's a lot of adjustments to it as it grows, a lot of pockets. It's just a wonderful piece of equipment. So, and also he also has a Tenkara rod itself. Again, we'll leave a link in the description below. So stick around, and we'll show you some fly fishing techniques and how to take a kid out fishing on a budget for fly fishing. Yeah, so we have these spools that are already ready to attach to the tip. The tip's called a Lillian. So we just tie a simple little knot so you can take it on and off, and we're not really dealing with monofilament line except for the leader here. And as I unspool this, we have our fly at the end. But we're actually going to change this rig today. We're going to actually put a dry fly that we're going to attach a nip on the bottom. Right. So now we have our fly. That's going to be our top indicator. And then trailing, we have a little nip. It's going to sink. So what we'll do is we'll take this end of this leader here, and we'll do a simple knot. It's going to go over the knot of the Lillian.
Nice and snug.
Nice and snug. This is all extended out?
Yep.
Very good.
Nice. I'm ready.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Ben. So I would just go in, but stay close to the shore for now. I just kind of want you to get used to the feel of walking on the rocks. So a little different, huh? And plus you have the water pushing against you, which adds a little element to it. So what I would do is just do little shuffle steps if you want to move. Yeah.
Cooled me off, but I was sweating like this.
Yeah, so I would do that. See where I'm pointing? Maybe just work all that up in here. So maybe go up to about here. Nice, Ben. That's totally fine. Beautiful, Ben. That's perfect. Yeah, you don't really need to move too much. Yep. Just bring it up, bud.
It's just, the line won't move. It won't move. I think it's just a push. Actually, I think the fish is tangled in the rocks right there.
Oh, it spit it out. But you saw it. Yeah, you got a fish though. Yeah. Yo, yeah. And just be careful of the bush behind you, Ben. So maybe almost even angle like this, Ben. How I'm casting, like, yeah. Very good. Yeah, they're there, Ben. Whoa, Benjamin!
I just caught a fish,
Good
guys.
job, Ben. That is awesome.
Just a small little trout.
Yep. That's okay. We like them.
We've only been here like 2 minutes. It's so awesome. Here, I'll hold him in place if you want.
There we go. You're gonna let him go?
Sure.
Good job, Benjamin. There he goes.
He's
Going way
right in
strong.
between your legs.
Good job, Benjamin.
Yeah.
Good job, Ben.
Here, can I unhook him? Can you hold my rod? I've got my pliers.
Okay. Absolutely, Ben. Did it spit out?
Oh,
Oh, it's okay. It spit it out already.
Good.
Awesome. Good job, Ben. Number 2.
Number 2.
Ben 2, Daddy nothing. Nice, Ben. Yeah, try that sideways, Ben. Yeah, just like a fling the other way. There you go. All right, Benjamin. Nice, Ben. Nice, Ben. Here, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Bring it over here. Ben. Right over here. They come off?
It's in your net.
Oh, jeez.
I got it.
Good job, Ben.
Nice.
Look at that.
Here, hold my.
Sure.
Let's see here. Yep. I'm trying to fish upside down. It calms them.
Nice, Benjamin. Number 4?
Number 4. There you go, buddy.
Good job, Ben.
Man, that's awesome.
I am so proud of you, bud. That is so... Did you snag yourself? Just be careful of the bush behind you, Ben. You can even take a step or 2 out. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Ooh. Got another hit. Had a great time fishing today. Ben, on his first time fly fishing with waders, had 5 fish. I'm so proud of him. We had such a great time. We hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks so much for watching. Good. That's better.